My pumpkin curry is the most delicious way to feed your family for under £12 this Halloween. It's nutritious, it's vegan, a proper crowd pleaser. Now, let's talk about our M&S Crown Prince squash. It's really sweet, grown here in the UK, in Cambridgeshire. You are gonna love it. We just chop that up into bite-sized chunks. Grate the other half of the pumpkin. I've got some finely chopped onion into hot oil. Now in we go with this M&S Bombay spice paste. Absolute game changer, this stuff. In we go with that grated squash. Look at the colour. I'm throwing in some chickpeas, along with some coconut milk and a splash of water. Chuck in your green beans for the final few minutes. Big squeeze of lemon to freshen it up. Chuck in a handful of chopped coriander. Now some honey or sugar to give some sweetness. Stir that roast squash through the curry. I'm telling you, that's a proper curry, that. And there you go, a healthy, hearty meal for under 12 quid this Halloween. Oh, that's delicious.